Chances are you're here because you got a used Stanton SK series mixer and it's missing the power supply. I have bad news and good news. The bad news is these mixers use a non-standard current and connector. The good news is you can put one together yourself. Looking for AC transformers, I found a Jameco model with the right power but the wrong connector. The workaround is to convert the connector. Rather than cut off the cable, I opted to use two adapters, converting from the barrel to terminals and back to a 3.5 millimeter jack. I wasn't sure what to expect, but I got 13.5 volts from the original power supply. I repeated this test with my adapters to confirm that the terminals were wired correctly. Testing the barrel on the new power supply, I got 14.84 volts, potentially a little spicy, but the original was also over its rated 12 volts. I connected wires between the terminals of the 2.1 millimeter power jack and the L and ground of the 3.5 jack and confirmed the voltage on the 3.5. Connecting to the mixer, it lit up and things looked good. So there you have it. Adapting a common AC power supply for the Stanton SK series of mixers. I hope you found this helpful.